Jason Ware, co-founder and head of municipal bond trading at 280 Cap Markets. Jason, I'm a little surprised. I mean, the MTA, I believe, is one of, if not the biggest issuer of municipal debt in the United States, if not the world. Ridership in New York, New Jersey has been decimated. How are some of these bonds actually getting so much attention?
Well, I think you've had quite a bit of support coming from the federal government and, state and local government. And that's really given these entities the ability to kind of weather the storm through that dip in ridership. And I think what you're having, happen now with, investors is a lot of them are looking forward to what you're talking about with vaccination rollouts and hopefully the economy moving back to, a little bit closer to where it was prior to the pandemic and, getting people comfortable riding mass transportation again.
Well, Jason, we got a chart up with the PIMCO Intermediate Muni ETF, just one of them out there, ticker Muni. It's actually above when the pandemic began. I can understand it getting close to where it was when back in January with our blissful ignorance, January of 2020. How can it be above that?
Well, I think what you're seeing is there's obviously more money in the economy now than there was. And what you're also seeing kind of translate in the tax exempt space is an anticipation for higher taxes going forward, because obviously with the stimulus rollout and a lot of money being flooded into the economy to create this type of liquidity, people are anticipating it needs to be paid for. And that oftentimes translates into higher taxes.
Yep. Quickly, before we go, Jason, leave us with an investable opportunity, anything out there you still think has some good value for our viewers and listeners.
Yeah, what I would say is just the tax-exempt product in general. I think there's still certain pockets of the market where you can get ample yield. And again, going forward, I think you're going to be looking at higher taxes. And I think it's a good opportunity for people to lock in yields that, avoid taxation.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.